What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shayla, and as you can see, I am like in mid-tutorial right now. Upon request, I'm gonna show y'all how I apply my false lashes. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be using my favorite natural lashes from Ardell. These are the natural lashes in 172. They're bold, but they're natural. You know, a bold natural. But anyway, I just want to mention how I'm still learning about lashes myself, but I was asked to do this video, so that's what I'm gonna do. What I do first. First, I get my lash. It looks blue because I had one yesterday, but we're not gonna talk about it. Anyway, I get my lash on the tweezers. I use tweezers because I'm still learning, like I said, and I'm not comfortable applying them with my fingers yet. So then I take my Duo lash glue. That is the glue I'm using right now. And apply it to the lash. Just the lash line. That's it. And the reason why I'm using this lash glue is because the lady that recommended it to me at Ulta, she said it had like vitamins in it. So, and that can be found, I know, at Ulta and Walmart. So then we wait for the lash to get tacky or almost dry. I fan it and blow on it. And like I said, I'm still learning. So for my professional beauty gurus out there, please spare me. So what I do is I get as close as I can to my lash line. Please stick on my eye and kind of hold it there. And I always start in the middle first, because I mean, once you get the middle, like, you can tackle the rest of the lash. And then I stick the rest of the lash on. Boom. And then I let it dry while I do the other eye. Let me go do the other eye, and I will be back to let you know what else I do to my lashes. Okay, bye-bye. Ta-da! Alright, now wait a minute. Now that I am back from doing the other eye, I just want to show y'all how I get my lashes to make them look more natural and not like they're about to fly off of my face. What I do is I take my finger and I like to press my lashes and the false lashes together. I either do it with my finger, or I'm more comfortable doing it with my finger than I am the tweezers. But sometimes I'll take the tweezers too, and I'll press my lashes together so that they can blend. To make sure they're fully blended, I take a mascara and run it over my lashes. So sometimes my lash will come up unexpectedly. What do when the rest of it is still on there, but there's one little part that isn't? I go in with the lash glue where that part is supposed to be. I put the glue on my eyelid. Put it back into place. Boom. And that is the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informational enough. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos, and I will see y'all later.